Hi y'all, welcome back to Chanda Southern Kitchen. If you're new to my channel, my name is Chanda and I share easy homemade Southern style recipes. Today we will be making the viral Million Dollar Chicken Casserole. This recipe is creamy, cheesy, and full of flavor. Perfect for a busy weeknight dinner, Sunday dinner, or even a potluck. And the best part is it's super easy to put together with simple ingredients. So go ahead, grab your apron, and let's get started. And here I'm adding in a half a cup of cottage cheese, a half a cup of sour cream, a half a block of room temperature cream cheese, and get that mixed up really well. 1 10.5 ounce of cream of chicken, and get that mixed in as well. And now it's time to get our seasons added in. Here I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of Cajun season, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, and get that mixed in as well. I went ahead and deboned 1 rotisserie chicken and chopped it up. It equals to about 4 cups of chicken, but feel free to use whatever chicken you like. Now go ahead and get that mixed up really well. I will be using this beautiful baking dish that was passed down from my mom, but for the correct size, a 9x9 baking dish works perfectly. Remember to oil your baking dish to keep the casserole from sticking. And now it's time to get that mixture added into your casserole dish. Now we're just going to get that smoothed around in our baking dish. This is going to be so delicious, you guys. I'm so excited about giving this recipe a try. And here I have 1 sleeve of Ritz crackers that I have crumbled. And then I'm adding 1/4 of unsalted melted butter to that, and I'm just get that stirred in really well. And here I'm adding in 1 cup of cheese. I use Italian 5 cheese blend, but feel free to use whatever cheese you prefer. And next we're adding our cracker crumb mixture to our casserole. And you're going to preheat your oven to 350 and we're going to bake that for 35 minutes. Look at that, guys. Yummy. Nice, toasty, and brown. And this is your finished casserole. I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to hit that little bell so you'll get a reminder every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by my kitchen again, and I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.